What is inventory management software? Inventory management software is a digital tool used by manufacturing and retail businesses to keep track of their inventory. In this video, you'll learn about the iAuditor platform and how it can be used to manage inventory. iAuditor can be deployed as a digital inventory management system across both desktop and mobile devices. It can track inventory and supplies, then save and interpret the data over time with powerful analytics. It can also be used to report any issues with just a few taps. Here's how iAuditor can be used in your inventory process. Convert your paper forms into a digital inventory checklist to reduce paperwork and avoid data loss. Instead of spending hours looking for a document you've previously completed from months ago, iAuditor can store all the data from inventories you or your team have conducted and allow you to filter and sort them to easily find the information you need. Gain peace of mind knowing you can access your inventory anywhere, anytime. Spreadsheets are a very popular tool used in inventory management, but there are limitations. Now, imagine if you or your team could use an app that lets them record inventory items in the storeroom and all that information is synced back to you. That's what iAuditor is capable of. Easy reporting with sharing functionality. With iAuditor, you don't need to do any manual reporting. Your team can automatically generate a report and share the results of their inspection with you, so you can track inventory and analyze trends over time. Take advantage of iAuditor's mobile-first platform today. To learn more, click here.